Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between tools, AI tools, which is Ahrefs and Surfer SEO. So to get started with the in-depth H2H comparison between these two SEO platforms. So to get started, Ahrefs in 2025 is a full-scale SEO powerhouse. It delivers massive keyword database, a world-class backlink index, site audit, rank tracking, and deep competitors analysis. Agencies and advanced marketers love it because it uncovers high-value keywords. Link building opportunity is also part of it, and a content gap with unmatched precision. It's also ideal if you want to undo research strategy and performance tracking all in one robust platform. So to move on to Surfer SEO, on the other hand, is specialized in on-page optimization driven by keywords data. It also analyzes top ranking pages, generate a deep content brief, and it gives a real-time optimization scores as you write. Content teams and bloggers use Surfer to fine-tune articles so they can match their search engine's favor, making it perfect for making specific price of content to the next level. And here's a very conclusion about this. So choose Ahrefs if you want a comprehensive SEO toolkit to power research and strategy, but go with Surfer SEO if your focus is creating and optimizing individual page to perfection. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.